I am hot. Like, let's just take that off because oh no, I was really hot. Your girl was I gotta just catch up my hair. Listen, MIJULSZ, welcome to the vlog. I am Julsz Tymm. If you're returning, no, if you're returning, you must know me at Julsz Tymm, right? If you're returning, you obviously know my name. I don't know. It's a hot day, forgive me. My fan's on, I'm sweating. I don't know what this is or that or like your sis is going through at the moment, and I don't know what's going on. But to be fair though, I think at like 6 o'clock I am going to wash my hair because at this particular time, at this particular time my hair needs washing, MIJULSZ. But with that being said, I'm gonna go and cook quickly. I'm gonna take you along with me. So we're making fried chicken. Yeah. Listen, I'm sure you just can see the sweat through the screen. I don't know if I'm unhealthy or if I'm just fat, because why am I sweating? I can't lie though, England's weather has been weathering and no one can tell me no different. I'm never gonna catch my hair no neater because I really ain't gonna catch my hair because it's hot. So anywho, I'm gonna go and cook some fried chicken because why not? Fried chicken is just lit. I'm gonna do fried chicken, parathas, and I don't know, like if I'm gonna do a bit of rice, maybe a bit of rice. So fried chicken and parathas with a bit of rice, and then we'll cook down some gravy. That's what I'm feeling for, so that's what I'm going to cook because why not? Guys, have y'all missed me? Like, oh my god, my editing is so bad. Forgive the unkeptness of this vlog, but to be honest, to be fair with yourself, I absolutely commend and I absolutely respect the females and the men that come on YouTube and they look immaculate, like they look absolutely incredible. You know, I love it. I really do love it, and I wish that I was part of that committee. I wish that I wish that I would really be, but with my vlogs I've always kept them real. So if I'm gonna look pretty, I'm gonna look pretty. If I want to look messy, I'm gonna look messy. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I'm just gonna keep it like that. So I just took off my wig because, honey child, the wig was wigging. I was very hot underneath there, like I could not, right? So I just had to take it off. But on that note, let's go to the kitchen. Let's see what's what. Let's see what we can do with the fried chicken, okay? So yeah, stick around. Let's have a good chit chat because let me be real with you. Most of my vlogs are gonna be very chatty, like extremely chatty, because I'm always at home. I'm a homebody, right? I don't really get out much because the pandemic, and then I don't know. I literally do love being in my house. Like I'm such a homebody, right? So me going out and all that, I don't do that. Like I really don't do that. And I think that's why I've always found it a bit hard with being consistent on YouTube. Because obviously I started YouTube when I was going to Jamaica, when I was in a long distance relationship with my husband. So mum has come into the cut, guys. But as I was saying, I had a lot of things to vlog back then because obviously I was going on a lot of holidays, so the channel was booming. But I guess I'm not really doing much now, so to vlog your everyday life, just cooking, eating, sleeping, is a bit. But what prestige? Guys, they took away prestige channel. I didn't even tell you guys. Let me update you guys what's been happening. They have to do that. Yeah, they need to know. So vlog. Let me update you guys. So I know it came down and this is coming quick. So basically, out of the absolute blue, they have what do you call it? Suspended my mom's channel, and without any good explanation. They haven't given us any explanation at all. What are you trying to teach? They haven't given us any explanation at all as to why they've actually suspended her channel, so I don't know. I have emailed them to try to get it back, but guys, can you imagine? All mums are hard work, all her 700 and odd, 800 and odd
That's why people not seeing you.
subscribers just gone. So that's why you're not seeing Mummy, because she does not have a channel anymore. Like they've said to her,
Sounds funny.
bye bye, and that's what's happened. But yeah, let's go to the kitchen, Mijulsz, and let's get to cooking. Okay.